Hi everyone! My name is Neil and I'm the marketing coordinator at the MLS. Today we're going to teach you about the Parcels feature on VESTAPLUS. As you'll see, the VESTAPLUS map is not only a searching tool, but also a valuable source of information. This feature allows you to break down the map by the following parcel types: APN, zoning, owner name, last market sale, year built, sale date and value, building square feet, and sales price. Now let's get started. First, click on the Parcels button at the top right of the VESTAPLUS listing search, then select the parcel type from the drop-down menu. To view detailed information on individual parcels, click the Identify button in the blue menu bar. Once you see the button highlighted, you can click on a parcel and it will bring up a brief public records window. Within this window, you can click on Boundary to view the exact size of the parcel boundary, and you can click on Area to view the perimeter and area. You can also use the Parcels feature to set a radius search. This allows you to find properties within a specified distance from your selected parcel. This is useful for clients that would like to live close to work, school, and so on. To start your radius search, enter the number of miles you'd like the shape to encompass, then click on the Draw button. As you can see, this creates a circular shape around the selected parcel, where the size has been determined by the number of miles that you've entered. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call our help desk at 310-358-1833. Thanks for watching.